Hello students, whatever we see in our surrounding like people, animal, things, place, we know about it by a name. For example, trees, garden, apple, building, road, zoo, cat, dogs, mango, uncle, auntie, friends, mother, father, and many more. So, students, such words are known as naming words, and we have already studied about it in our previous lessons. Now, we now we see or hear about these things, so we start speaking about it. We can speak on it. Yes. For example, if we see trees, we can say big tree, small tree. Then apple, how is apple? Seeing the apple, we can say it is a red apple or green apple. Then garden, when we see garden, we can say that it is beautiful garden or a big garden. And if we see a building, we may say that it is a tall building or a small building. A road, when we see a road, we can describe the road that it is a wide road or it is narrow road. And if we go to see a zoo, we may say that it is a very big zoo or a small zoo. Then seeing the cat, we may say that the cat is black in color or brown in color. And seeing the dog, we say that dog is cute dog or faithful dog. Then when mango, if we see mango, we may say it is yellow in color, it is tasty. And so we know how to describe things. So in today's video we are going to learn little more about the describing words. So let's begin. Lesson 2.5, Language Study. Describing words. Now your students first will see what are describing words. Already I have told you, but still when we see, we remember for a longer time. Yes, so I'll just show you. Now here, what are describing words? Words that describes or tells about the quality of a person, place, animal or thing are called describing words. See, we see so many things, no? I told you just now. So we always, whenever anything is asked about somebody or something, we can say about it. For example, good boys. We are saying about the boy. He's a person. So how is a boy? Good. So good we are describing. This is, we are telling about the boy that the boy is good. Then bird. Which bird? Yellow bird. Whichever bird you can see. Like parrot, if you see, you will say green bird. So we are describing. So how is a bird? Yellow in color. So we are describing the bird in with the color. Then dash class. So small class. I am telling about the class. These are all naming words, no? Boy, bird, class, cake. And cake, about the cake I am saying that it is round. Now boy is a person, bird is an animal, then class is a place, and cake is thing. So words that describes or tells the quality of a person, place, animal or thing is known as describing words. With the pictures I'll show you now. See here. Now you can see this bird, ice cream, coffee, juice, jar, ice cream. Now we will describe about it. Here I have given the clues, so you can just say. Now bird. When we see the bird, which color here? In this option only yellow. So yellow bird. So we can match it, yellow bird. Then ice cream. We have to describe about the ice cream. Come on, let's see. Tasty, orange, thick, hot, chocolate. So tasty ice cream you can say. Then coffee. How is a coffee? Hot. So hot. Juice. It is, we can see, orange juice. So orange. Then jar. How is a jar? Thick, little wider. So thick jar. Then ice cream. Here you can see chocolate. So chocolate ice cream. So we are describing about the naming word. These are all naming words, and we are telling something about the naming word. So it is known as describing words. When you go in higher class, these are describing words are known as adjectives. One more this, sorry, backside also it is there. See now, here we have the diamond. Diamond, you know, Hira. Then whale, snake, fox, leopard. Now here is a quality of, it is telling something about these things, naming words. Now diamond. How is a diamond? Shiny. It is shines, no, diamond. So shiny. Then whale. Whale, where you can see deep waters. So you can deep water. Then snake. It is dangerous. See, your options are given, so we are writing about this dangerous. It may be a long snake, a black snake. That is also like you are describing about that animal. Now your fox. How is a fox? Clever. Clever fox. And your leopard. Don't laugh on my drawing. Fast runner. Right? So this was the examples with picture. Now without picture, some examples. For example, I have a new hairband. Now which is a naming word here? Hairband. So about the hairband, how is the hairband? New. So new, you are describing about the hairband, that is a new hairband. My friend is a sweet girl. How is a girl friend? She is sweet. I go to a big school. Which type of school you are going means this is naming word. Big school. Normally describing word comes before the this noun, naming words. Naming words are nouns. Neeta has a blue dress. Which type of dress she is having? Blue. Yes, it is telling about the dress. How is the dress? Blue. My mother is a pretty woman. How is a woman? Pretty. So describing. My father is very loving man. How is the father? Loving. So you are describing. My brother is very intelligent. How is the brother? Intelligent. So many things we use in our day to day, every day we are using it, and we are using adjectives, but we don't know because we have not learnt about it. Means adjective means describing words. Now let's come back to the textbook. So you must have understood what is describing words. Here, wait a minute, students. Okay. A mango is yellow in color. It is very sweet in taste. A rose is red. It is very beautiful. These are 4 pencils. We use sharp pencils to write. A dog is a clever and loyal animal. Now here, a mango, these are naming word. It is a fruit, or you can say it is a thing. So a mango is yellow in color. So this yellow means here it is telling that the mango is which color? Yellow. The mango is yellow in color, and what is the taste of the mango? Sweet. So sweet. So this is describing about the mango, naming word mango. Now here, a rose is red. What is the color of the rose? Red color. So we are telling about the rose, that it is red in color. And how it is? It is beautiful. So red and beautiful is describing about the rose, that it is red and it is beautiful. These are 4 pencils. Now here you can see 4 pencils. And how is the pencils? We use sharp pencils to write, and we are using sharp pencils. So these are sharp pencils. So 4 and sharp is saying about the pencil. It's a thing. These are all 4 things only. All means, sorry, animal here, and these are things. Comes under things. A dog is a clever and loyal animal. How is a dog? He is clever and he is loyal. Loyal means faithful. Now we'll read again. A mango is yellow in color. It is very sweet in taste. A rose is red. It is very beautiful. These are 4 pencils. We use sharp pencils to write. A dog is a clever and loyal animal. Now words in bold describe about each item. Now whichever dark color it is written, dark black, it is describing about the things. So these are describing words. Now we'll do the summarization. So we have learnt about the describing words, how to describe things, and your animal we have described. And in the examples I gave, you must have understood that also. So normally describing words are telling about naming words, like naming words or person. It may be people, animal, place, or thing. When you practice more, you will get an idea. Okay, we are having more activities, so I think so your concept of describing word will be thorough. Now match the following. Sharp. What is sharp here? From your pencil. So we have to match it. Clever. Who's clever? Dog. Then sweet, mango. Red, rose. Using the given pictures, write the correct describing word from the words given in the box. Now here they have given the help column 8, red, big, green, old, but from the picture also you get to know the describing words. This is a dash ball, or which type? Big ball, no? An apple is dash in color. Here dash in color. I had said that green in color. Even nowadays you get green color apples also. So normally we know apples are red only, but nowadays in market you get green color apple also and yellow color apple also in some malls. He is an dash man. Now you can see from the picture how is he? How is a man? Old. So we are telling about the man that he is old. These are dash bananas. Here now numbers are there. How many bananas are there? When we count, it is 8 bananas. So how many bananas? 8. This is a dash parrot. Which color? Here green parrot. it may be small parrot also, but your option in option small is not there, your green is there. And make it a habit, whenever you finish doing one, put a tick, so you will get an idea that how many are remaining, no repetition should be there. Next, fill in the blanks with correct describing word. Now you have to describe. Green vegetables and fruits are dash for health. You can write anything or how you want to describe. Now green vegetables and fruits, here I have written good for health. So how are the vegetables? Good for health. There are dash stars in the sky. So stars in the sky, you only, like when you see, you know that many stars, you cannot say one star in the sky. Ants are very dash, you have seen ants, so if anyone asks you how are the ants, you will say small, and you may say it is red in color. But here when we write what is coming here, you can sense out that this should be, yes, very small, very small, very red, you will not write. But you can, if it comes like this, ants are dash in color, so you can write red in color like this, or ants are red like that. I have a dash pen. I have a blue pen, red pen, black pen, anything you can write, because your no options are there. It's your choice. Now look and say yellow, sweet, red, beautiful, 4, sharp, clever, loyal. Now we'll do exercise from the notebook. Lesson 2.5, language study, dictation word. Yellow, whatever was there in the textbook, same is there, so I did not write separately. Yellow, sweet, red, beautiful, 4, sharp, clever, loyal. Now how to learn the words? By breaking the words. Yellow, L Y E L L, yell, O O W O, yellow. Sweet, sweet, S W E. How the sound comes, as per that you have to write the spellings. Sweet. Then red, red is easy, R-E-D, red. Beautiful, now beau, B-E-A-U, beauty, T-I-T, and full, F-U-L, beautiful. 4, 4 is very simple now, 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Sharp, sharp, S-H-A, sharp. When we say sharp, R-P sound comes. Then clever, C-L-E, clever, V-E-R. Then loyal, law, L-O, loyal, Y-A-L, loyal. Okay. Next, give meanings. Sharp means pointed. Loyal means faithful. You know how dogs are faithful. With whom he is living, he will do everything for that person. So that is known as loyal or faithful. Give opposites. Sweet, sour. Sweet means, you know that, sour means khatta. Beautiful, ugly. Sharp, blunt. Now blunt means what now? Sharp, you know what is sharp. Suppose sharp pencil. This pencil is sharp. But some children in school, they don't sharpen their pencil. It is always blunt, like this, round, like this. So it's blunt. the point is blunt. Or sometimes when you are cutting things, mummy may be cutting things at home, something, some scissors are very sharp, and some like mother is trying to cut the cloth, but it's not cutting. Why? Because the scissor has become blunt, so that is known as blunt. Then loyal, disloyal. Now we'll do the activity part. Your first activity, here you can see the naming words like boys, girls, weather, face, snowman, and here is the describing about it. Now boys, how many boys are there? You can see here 4 boys, because your options are there. From whatever options are given, from that only you have to, you can say tall boys also, short boys also, or smart boys also, but those things are not given about the boys. Here 4, so we are writing 4. Now girls, here anything beautiful is there? Nothing. Here 2 is there, so 2 girls. Here they are saying the number of boys, 4 boys. Here number of girls, 2 girls. Now you're seeing the picture, we can say that how is the weather? Rainy. Then face, you can see smiling face, so happy face. How is the face? Happy, means it is a person's face, no? Then here, how is the face? Sad face, so telling about the person, that the person is sad. Then here, how is a like snowman? When you see snowman, what comes to your mind? Cold. That in cold regions we make, no, where snow is there, we make snowman, so cold. So we are describing it. Now next, your book, basket, book, bottle, paper, we have to describe it. Now here from this option only, given option. Now a book, your, it is open book, because you can see both the sides. So how is a book? Open book. Basket, now basket, here it is full, so we are writing full basket. The basket is full. We are telling about the basket, that the basket is full with fruits. Now color, your brown color. How is a book? Brown in color. Your bottle is empty, so the, how is a bottle? Empty bottle. Now which color paper? Blue color paper. So this was the word we have described about naming words. Next, this is a continuation of this only, describing word. Now how is a rat? The rat is black in color here. How is a baby? Young baby, so telling about the baby, that the baby is young. Pan, from this we can make out it is hot, so the pan is hot. Dress color is yellow, so the dress is yellow in color. Then glue means gum, so how is a glue? Sticky. We cannot say no tasty glue, we will say for a particular thing, will describe in a particular manner only. Sticky. Then this hair, they are saying about the hair. How is the hair? Your wait, girls, your tall girls and tall and short girl. This is not hair, sorry, about the girl. It is saying that the girl is cute. How is a girl? Cute. Fine. Now next activity, See, when this lesson will be taught in the what's link will come, that time I'll send this on the WhatsApp group. See students, activity, you may say that teachers doing so many activity, but if you do it, it will be beneficial to you. It will help you to learn many things. So try to do it. Fill in the blanks with describing words from the bracket. Now here in the bracket describing words are there, like fat, hot, tall, wide, huge, small, round, open, short. So you have to fill this. I'll just read it, but you have to see and fill it. There is the dash tower. You have to search from here. The earth is dash. The box is, search from here. The pig is, the tea is, these puppies are, the hippopotamus is, the road is, the lady has dash hair. So it's very easy. If you do it now, you'll like it. You'll enjoy doing this, writing the describing words, because options are given and only you have to just think and write. Or you can take help from your parents also, or your elder brother or sister. Now in this I have not given any options to you. It is left to you how you want to describe. Fill in the blanks with describing word. For example, tail, bushy tail, long tail, thick tail. So you can write anything. Means you have to use little common sense and just imagine that suppose elephant is there, what will come to your mind? Big elephant or huge, anything may come. So you are saying something about the naming words, so just write it. Dash tail, dash grass, for example green grass, dash feather, dash mountains. Only one word you have to describe. Elephant, dash toys, dash tomato, dash rat, dash spoon, then dash floor, dash coin, dash rock, dash sky, dash fruits, dash clothes, then gifts, bangles, how is a bangle, how is a table, how is a house, how is a pencil, sharp pencil or blunt pencil, chocolates, you can write brown chocolates or yummy chocolates, anything how you want to describe. Fruits, then juice, how is a juice, how is a dish, how is a place, how is a fox, like clever fox, how are the grapes, how is a crow, clever crow, black crow, anything. Then how is a lion. So just use your own ideas to describe this. Fine. Now we will see, I have made some drawings for you just to explain. Now this is what brinjal, what is the color of it? Purple. A brinjal is purple in color. It is long in size. When I am seeing this, I can say that it is purple in color and it is long in size. So I am telling about the brinjal. So what is the color? Purple. And how it is? Long. Here now, watermelon. A watermelon is red in color from inside. It is sweet in taste. So how is the watermelon? Red, and it is sweet in taste. Here, see the frock. The dress is very beautiful. It has flowers in it. You can describe, no? It is having flowers in it. Now, your camel you can see. See, you can see camel. The camel is big in size. So you can, what you can say about the camel, that it is big. It lives in desert area. Which area it lives? Desert area. Now, carrot. we have to describe about the carrot. The carrot is orange in color. How is the color? Orange in color. It is very fibrous. Fibrous means, see, you can see this thread like thing, it is known as fibers. So it is fibrous. You can also write it is very healthy. So you are describing in your own words about the carrot or anything given to you. Now here, what is the papaya? A papaya is yellow in color. It is very healthy. So how is a papaya? What is the color of the papaya? Yellow, and it is very healthy. So we are telling that it is yellow and it is healthy also. Now your favorite, burger. A burger is dash in taste. How it is yummy in taste. You can use your own ideas how you like it. It has many vegetables in it. So many vegetables, or you can write some other thing. Okay, but I have written many vegetables. You can write few vegetables if you want. Okay, so we have finished with the language study. Now students, language study, why we need to learn languages. We need to learn languages so that we can read, write and understand the language. Okay, so we have finished. Thank you, students.